Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your Boox Poke 3. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here navigate to this button right here, click on it. Here you can see the factory reset, select it. Now before clicking on delete all data, make sure that you back up all of your files, as all of them will be deleted in that process. After that, click on delete all, enter the PIN for your device if it's protected by one, and click on next. Delete all data. And right here, just wait until your device restarts and you'll be able to perform the first setup. If you need help with that, you can always check our video where we've shown you how to set up this device for the first time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.